All right, here we are at Disney Springs for the premiere of Cruella, and look who I have here.
Oh, darling.
Oh, look, got the shoes and everything. Gonna be fun. All right, we're going to the premiere of Cruella. Cruella just walking down Disney Springs. Oh. Oh, here comes the fanfare up here. Fanfare for the Cruella red carpet. Dueling Cruellas. Dun dun dun. It is a nice dress, I like the red. This thing's supposed to be getting going in a few minutes. Here's Lauren. Sorry, Cruella taking more pictures. We're live. So there's there she is right there. Here's the crowds.
Oh, I guess.
It's the actual costume. Look at that. Lauren's a celebrity. Everyone's saying they love her outfit and her hair. Cruella De Ville.
I look way more rock and roll than I do Cruella. Anyway, so let me walk you through this video a little bit. The timeline, you're wondering, might be a little bit off. What we did is we went to the movie that happened before the red carpet premiere. When we got out of the movie, they were setting up for the actual red carpet premiere at Disney Springs. Disney Parks said there would be this fanfare, red carpet. We didn't know who was going to be there, what it was going to be like. It ended up just being more like a commercial for Disney Springs. They did have Ashley, I think, Eckstein, or I don't know. She's apparently some big deal with voice work, but I didn't know who she was. And then they had some other of their Disney Parks people there to record as well. They just filmed some things outside of the theater by the red carpet while promoting some of the sales and shopping at Disney Springs. But we had a ball because Lauren loved the attention. She had a ton of people coming up to her, taking photos, giving her compliments, cast members giving her compliments. So it was a lot of fun, and the movie was fantastic. I highly recommend you go see it. Lauren loved it. I loved it. So go check out Cruella. Please like, subscribe, comment on this video. If you're watching this live right now, early on Thursday, we're doing a live stream today. So make sure you hit the bell notification to find out when we're going live. We'll see you real soon. I love you guys. Be kind to one another.